Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to stop just dreaming about financial freedom and start building it today? We're diving deep into 5 powerful strategies that can completely transform your financial future. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes, they're proven. Actionable steps to build lasting wealth. So grab a notebook and let's get started. First up, let's talk about investing the smart way. Instead of trying to pick the next big stock, which is incredibly risky, focus on index funds and ETFs. Think of these as baskets of stocks that track a whole market. Like the S&P 500, this automatically diversifies your investment, lowers your risk, and historically has provided solid, steady returns over time. It's the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it strategy for growing your money. Next, you have to play defense with your taxes. This is where tax-advantaged accounts like a 401k or an IRA come in. These are like superpower accounts for your retirement savings, depending on the type. Your contributions can be tax-deductible now, or your withdrawals can be tax-free in retirement. Either way, you're keeping more of your hard-earned money working for you, not sending it to the taxman. Make sure you're contributing as much as you can, especially if your employer offers a match that's free money. Strategy number 3 is about offense, building multiple income streams, relying on one paycheck. It's like sitting on a one-legged stool, so let's add more legs. This could be through real estate investing, maybe starting with a rental property, or you could launch a side hustle based on a skill you have, like graphic design or freelance writing. Another fantastic option is investing in dividend stocks, where companies literally pay you just for owning their shares. The more streams you have, the more secure your financial foundation becomes. Now let's tackle the silent wealth killer, high-interest debt. I'm talking about credit card debt, personal loans, anything with a double-digit interest rate. This debt works against you, compounding in the wrong direction. Make it your absolute priority to pay this off as aggressively as possible. Create a plan, whether it's the snowball or avalanche method, and stick to it. Eliminating this debt frees up so much cash flow to invest in your future. Finally, the magic ingredient that ties this all together, compound interest. Albert Einstein supposedly called it the 8th wonder of the world, and for good reason. It's your money making money, which then makes more money. The key is time. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. Even small, consistent contributions can grow into a massive nest egg over the decades. It's the most powerful force in your wealth-building journey. So there you have it. Invest in index funds. Use tax-advantaged accounts, build multiple income streams, crush high-interest debt, and let compound interest work its magic. Start with one, then add another. The journey to wealth is a marathon, not a sprint, but by implementing these strategies, you're putting yourself on the fast track to financial independence. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more content to help you master your money. See you in the next video.